welcome to another video. We're going to, I forgot the place's name, it's a lake for some trout. So this is what we got. Got this tiny little lure. Got some grubs, tiny grubs. Oh, this is just line from the rods. Here, got this one. Some of these for plastics. Some small hooks. And this one, I've heard this one's pretty good for trout. Hooks. More small hooks. And another little fly looking thing. Where's the place that we're going? Karri Valley. And this is a new combo I got yesterday at the new shop in Butler. Got this one and this one also new. Ugly stick. See you there. Everyone, we are in Karri Valley. We just got to our place after a 3-hour drive, and look at this view. There's a lake right there. Let's get the fishing. Let's head to the fishing. Let's head to the lake. So nice. Look up there. You know, I like to change up the content for you guys. You can come catch fish that, like proper fish, not koi and stuff, freshwater. Hopefully some red fin perch. Oh my goodness, did I just see a fish jump? Whoa. Just taking in the scenery. What fish you can find in here? Redfin perch. You can find a redfin perch, rainbow trout, brown trout, and marron. So I'm pretty excited. This one is for trout. I want to save my battery.
Shadows crawl where light can't stay. Echoes hum in a ghostly fray. Night falls thick like heavy ash. Silent winds break with the lash. From the grave we rise, mist below. Voices deep where none dare go. Heavy beats the pulse of doom. In the dark the echoes bloom. Slow and steady, the rhythm we breathe. Beneath the earth where spirits see. No bright halo, no guiding flame. Just pulsing beats bound to the same. Feel the weight in each low thrum. Cold creeps in your senses numb. Empty space, a hollow song. The pull of dread, it drags along. From the grave we rise, mist below. Voices deep where none dare go. Heavy beats the pulse of doom. In the dark the echoes bloom. Slow and steady, the rhythm we breathe. Beneath the earth where spirits see. No bright halo, no guiding flame. Just pulsing beats bound to the same. No escape, no morning bliss. Only depths of a void abyss. Graveyards hum, beats still rave. Dark vocals call from the grave. Shadows crawl where light can't stay. Echoes hum in a ghostly fray. Night falls thick like heavy ash. Silent winds break with the lash. From the grave we rise, mist below. Voices deep where none dare go. Heavy beats the pulse of doom. In the dark the echoes bloom. Slow and steady, the rhythm we breathe. Beneath the earth where spirits see. No bright halo, no guiding flame. Just pulsing beats bound to the same.
It's on my
How do you get it off?
Is that freshwater crayfish though?
It's a lobster.
Give me the GoPro.
I'm focusing.
You must put it in his little hand.
I'm trying.
I want to record under the water.
He's just gonna go away.
So good. That's so cool.
That thing's massive.
I think he's already got something as well.
He's got a leaf.
Yeah.
Let him go build his nest.
I just saw something white moving. There keeps bubbles coming up there under the
Yeah, it's probably a
from under the sand.
Thanks for your wisdom.
Oh, there's another one.
No, there's a big one there.
Here's another one there. Goodness me, there's lots of them here, eh?
Think they forgot? Think they actually they thought it was trout, but it was actually lobsters.
These ones is massive. That's right in his face. He's grabbing it.
I don't think he's grabbing it.
It's right in front of him. He's got it.
Got it. He's got it.
No.
He left it. You need to put something real food on there. You'll catch a lot of them with real food tomorrow.
Right. Guys, I just came here. I see two trout. On. No. I'm snagged. Yes, I'm out. He ate it. Ah, I'm in a tree. Yeah, in the tree.
Oh no!
There's some trout there.
Oh my goodness, how long have you been stuck for?
Like just a little bit. I just got it because it was sitting over there by the rock.
Oh no!
And then I cast there, got in the tree, and now we moved there.
Have you seen the trout?
Yeah, it's see that stick thing? See a stick that goes like this?
Uh-huh.
See the grey thing there? That's him.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, he's swimming. Oh, there. There's two of them. Look. You see it? Right there.
Oh my goodness, I see it!
There we go. Yeah.
I hope you catch him.
Thank you. I'm catching that trout. There he is. See him? On. Oh. I got him. Yeah, I've got him.
Well done. Keep him going.
Oh. No, he's in the bush.
In the bush.
Oh, he was.
Done. That's a good size. Do you think you can lift him up, or you're
No.
a bit heavy, is he?
Yeah. I've got quite a small hook.
Do you want me to try?
Wait,
or
can you take this?
Yeah, I can take that. Grab him under the gills. That's it, good tight grip. Oh, well done. Good recovery. You can get your fingers in his gills. Oh, you've done very well. Oh, hang on, I'll just get this fishing line. There we go.
Hold him up, I can send it to you.
All right, there we
Thank
go.
you.
There we go, still going. Hold him up. Your first trout, you're saying?
Yeah.
Oh, and that is a great sized trout.
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, well done. You persisted. Okay, I'm gonna get that out of your hair.
Yeah, you can put this.
That's all right. Put it on the ground. Now,
I'll
where's...
take my camera.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, it's so slippery. Completely drenched. That is a great fish. No. Come on, buddy. Huh? I got a fish. That guy. Oh, he's turning around. First ever rainbow. I imagine after that one, there's not much are gonna come through because they probably spooked and stuff, or might have got spooked and stuff. So I'm gonna burly up, chuck this in. That one was big and I didn't want to risk flipping it because I've got 6 pounds. I'm on 6 pounds, but I probably could have flipped it, but I don't want to take the risk. Where should I flip him?
Bring him up. Bring him up. He's small, mate.
No, I've got a small hook one. It looks like that.
Just bring him up.
He's reeling a fish. What are you doing? He's reeling a fish then.
I'm not going to flip him because I've got 6 pounds on.
Not gonna flip it yet.
I'm not going to pull him up.
Don't do that.
He's little, bro.
Yes, and I don't want to risk it. If I flip this and it snaps, you'll flip.
Yeah, bring it up.
I don't want to smack him. Is that bigger than the other one?
Beautiful rainbow.
It's so slippery. Ay.
Nice.
Video? Is it on?
Yeah.
Release. He'll be fine. Is he alright? Yeah. Yeah, he's good. Yeah, he's swimming off. Oh, he's swimming to the back. This is the one I've been trying to catch all day. It's not even that big. I think this is one of my fingers. Cool, calm down. They're so floppy. They're so pretty. Look how pretty he is.
Yeah.
Hold up. Oh, 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 oh. This one's short and stubby.
Beautiful. Let me get a close up. Yeah.
Don't lose him. Oh, he's a ripper. Keep going. Yay! Look at that. Good job.
This one's small.
Yeah.
Do you want to give a hand, darling?
There you go.
Yay!
Back to the side so we can watch you go.
Oh, rainbow.
Yay!
Fifth one of the trip. Can we make it happen? I hope we can. Oh my goodness. Had him. How did I miss that? It was in his mouth. Sorry guys. I need to calm down. Patience is key. Oh no. Got him. This is big. Oh, he's jumping. It's a jumper. It's a nice sized one. I thought I hooked him and then he came off. Okay, easy now. Yes! Yes! Fifth trout of the trip. This guy's pretty. Oh no. This guy's very lively. Calm down, buddy. Trying to get you back in the water. You keep flopping, I can't. Like fifth one of the trip, number 5. Nope. Whoa, look at this. This is some natural wild rock. How did you get into that? The truck turns here too.
Keep going, keep going.
soft plastic. Ah, it's been soft. Oh, can I try and catch you? It's giant. Did you see that?
Yeah.
I got an animal fire.
You caught? A really cool fire. Oh, the unit. They're really cool fire. You're gonna make us bird a beast.
Oh,
More fire. Challenge accepted.
we need some more. Stop. You got nails.
Got nails, yeah.
We need
Ouch.
more for this.
He's stepping off. He's just digging into my skin.
No, they can't eat too much. They're gonna get sick.
Get a tummy ache.
They're gonna get fat.
Oh, there's a Nathan.
He's going back for more watch.
Oh, they're fighting. They're feisty. Were they doing this when you were?
Mm.
Hey, I don't like that one. Be good, buddy. Oh, he fell. Sorry, buddy. I'll give you a big piece. But, oh, this one's cute, isn't it? Oh, I'm a trick one. I'm a trick one.
Mm-mm.
No, the mean one. That's the mean one. You're mean. Meanie. You're mean. Oh, he's so nice.
Piece of meat. He's like, oh yeah, I like the meat, mate. No way.
Double?
Kylie, bring your sandwich.
I'm not giving you more, Mama. You can get your own food out.
Come on, Kyle, don't be like that.
Buddy,
Give him chicken. Give him chicken.
No, don't be like that, Kyle.
give him chicken.
Yeah. Nathan, come get a piece of chicken.
Nathan.
He's like, what's this vegetable stuff you're giving me?
Where's the cock of that? Yeah.
Oh, two. And then a third one came from down there.
Yeah.
And then two more came.
That guy's got someone to speak already. Look at that guy. Calm down.
This is having a feed there.
He actually poked me.
Gosh, they're loving the chicken salad.
No, bad. Naughty boy.
Kyk hoe sit hulle in 'n ry. I can't believe it.
He stares at it. He scared me. Look, this guy, he just stares at it. He's like, he stares at me like, I'm vegetarian. Oh, I like this one. You see? Finish your food, buddy.
Never gonna ever see that.
I've never.
Oh, that one poked. You want to try feed some?
Kyk hoe sit daai enetjie daar.
Oh, I love this one. This one's this one. There. Sounds like a chicken.